What's up guys, Sean here. Welcome back to another video. So I got something really special for you and a quick one to teach you something absolutely awesome. So if you're trying to make affiliate sales using Bing advertising, you want to watch this because I have something really interesting to show you. But what I want to teach you here is actually a really simple trick to increase your conversions at the same time, get more sales, and at the same time simply save money. Okay, this thing does both of it together. Now, I've kind of talked about this before privately, but I thought it would be a good idea to share it with you guys and kind of explain why your copy, your ad copy is just everything. It's very important. So before we start, let me show you the page I'm advertising. So at the moment, what I'm doing is that I'm advertising this page on my staging account in Bing. The idea is to drive traffic and get the traffic right, you know, basically just get the keywords and everything right, and then I'm gonna move it to my main account. That's what I always do. And this is a page that is kind of a proven page, by the way. This is a page that has made me about 50K in sales. So it is a very proven page and it works really well. In case if you're interested, let me show you the page as well. So this is technically a landing page, but it doesn't look like a landing page. It looks like a blog post. If you pay attention, we got a headline, we got like, you know, a kind of author line, and then we got this article and everything going on. It does not look like a landing page. It looks like an article, and it is an article. If you pay attention, there's videos, there's actually a step-by-step training and everything. But the thing here is that what makes this very special is that the only place this thing links is the pop-up. If you like click on anything you see here, it takes you to the pop-up. So that's the idea. If you take a look, it just like buttons, everything I click, even these, it takes me to the pop-up. So this is one of the highest converting pages I've ever created, and generally one of the most interesting strategies to convert PPC traffic to sales. But that's for another video. By the way, I made a video entirely about this yesterday. I'm gonna link it right here in this video, so check it out. It's a great video to watch if you're interested in this type of landing page creation. So again, I want to go over Bing advertising here. Okay, so I'm trying to drive traffic to this, and we got the whole thing going on. So I'm gonna create an ad, and I want to show you something really cool. So I'm gonna drop my ad here, right, and I'm gonna drop my headline. Now the idea with this strategy is very simple. What you want to do is you want to tell people upfront how much this is gonna cost. Now when you do that, you first of all filter people who are not willing to pay. All right, so you're gonna filter people who are not gonna pay, and just right up front, filter out 50% of the traffic of people who are not gonna pay you. So that is really good up front. Also, when you mention the price up front, people are actually have that expectation. They come into your page, they kind of are mentally ready to buy. What your job on that page is to convince them that, hey, this is a good training and you should buy it. So again, they have mentally, they're ready, right, to buy this training. You just have to convince them. So that's why hence we got the landing page where we actually teach something. You know, it's like an article more than just a course promotion, right? So that's why we have this type of headlines, this type of page. So again, I'm gonna write the ad. Again, you want to mention the price in your headline. So let me give me a moment. Let me write this ad real quick. Alright guys, take a look at this. So we're trying to sell this ClickBank product, right? So we got the headline, best ClickBank training course, instant access for $297. Again, upfront we're mentioning the price, and on the description as well, if you take a look, I have the price mentioned, one-time payment of $297. So this is, guys, it's gonna save you so much money. It's gonna save you all these bad clicks, people who just randomly click on stuff. At the same time, it's gonna mentally get people ready to buy your product. Now, this is something I recommend testing with other ad copies. So don't just test it by yourself. Test it with other ad copies and see how it performs and how you can improve it even more, all that stuff. So don't just advertise like this. Add it alongside other copies that you want to post. Alright guys, I hope this was helpful and I hope you get some value from this. If you did, consider subscribing to the channel. I'd really appreciate it. Also, like this video and share it with your friends and leave a comment. Let me know what you think about this video. Let me know if you've used this or if you're planning to use it. And also let me know if you have any ideas about videos that I can create for you guys to teach you something. If it's something that I know about, I can definitely make a video about it, guys. So thank you so much, guys. One more thing, if you want to learn more, check out the link in the description. That's going to take you a training that I strongly recommend if you're really serious about affiliate marketing and if you want to do well in it. That's very, very important. If you want to do well in it, you got to learn it from someone who's done it for a long time and they're making money. So if you want to learn something really awesome, you know, especially when it comes to affiliate marketing, there are a lot of different ways to promote different products. So you got to choose the right strategy based on the product you promote. So there's a lot of things to learn. There's a lot of details. So if you want to learn some good stuff, check out the link in the description. You're not going to be disappointed. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Let me know if you have any questions. I'll see you in the next video tomorrow.